In the last session, we discussed how to find the relevant percentage when a particular mark is given. Today we are going to learn how to get a particular mark when a percentage is given. When P is given, we have to find the relevant mark. Now tell me, what is P94? P94 is 69.5. The meaning is there are 94% of students who have scored marks less than 69.5. That is what is meant by P94, right? P94 is 69.5. P48 is 49.5. Don't say P48 is PR 49.5. There don't mention whether it's PR or P. P48 equals 49.5. P98. The answer is 74.5. Now we'll go to some questions. First one. Now what do you have to do when you read a question? You have to identify what is given there, right? Whether the percentage or the mark. Right, first one. What is the mark relevant to P86? So what is given there? P value. So you'll have to go to the P column, right? What is given is P86. So where's P86? Straight away you can find it. P86 is 64.5. No calculations involved. 64.5. That's the answer. Right? If you can't find straight away, then only you will have to calculate. If you can find straight, the answer is that particular mark. Right. Second one. Find the median P50. Median is the mark that represents the middle place of a set of data. Right? You just get the idea here. Find the median P50. What is given there? P50. Underline P50. So write it here. P50. Now where do you have to go? You have to go to the P column. It is P value is given. P50. Where's P50? Here. Right? Then write P50. Now what do you have to do? You have to write the value there which is above the arrow. P62 equals 54.5. Next one, P48. P48 equals 49.5. We have to find P50. That we don't know. So that's it. And now what's the next step? You have to find the differences. This differences is 5 here, 14 here, it's 2, right? No minus plus values. Now we'll do this one. What do you have to write? The value above the question mark, right? 40 49.5, P50 somewhere here. Now this is 49.5. You have to add something, then you can find P50. So P49.5 plus this one 5. Straight away you write this, right? Yeah, 5 divided by 14 multiplied by 2. You do the calculation, it is 7. 5 divided by 7. So 49.5 plus 5 divided by 7, 0.71. The answer is 50.21. That's the median. The mark which represents, that's the median. The mark which represents the middle place of a set of data, 50.21. Right. Now we'll go to the third question. Third question. Find SIQR. I'll have to explain all these things. SIQR means, for the time being, just learn this. SIQR, semi-interquartile range, right? That is IQR divided by 2. IQR means interquartile range. Interquartile range means P75 minus P25 divided by 2. That is SIQR. P75 minus P25 divided by 2. Right? So what do you have to find now? P75 and P25. First we calculate P75. P75. So we have to go to the P column and find where 75. 74 is here, 86 is here. So in between P75. So you'll have to write P86 equals, here the one above, 64.5. P74 equals 59.5. We have to find P75. That we don't know. So you have to get the differences now. The same technique, right? Here it's 5. Here 12. Here it's 1. Then you can do the calculation. So it's like this. 59.5 plus what? 5 divided by 12 into 1. So here the answer is 59.5 plus 0.42. Final answer 59.92. That is P75, 59.92. We'll write it here, 59.92. Alright. Then what's the next thing you'll have to do? We found P75. Then we have to calculate P25. Right? So again, write P25. Where's 25? Between 22 and 32, right? Put an arrow here. P25. Okay. Now tell me the values. P 32. P32 equals 44.5. P22 equals 39.5. We have to find P25. Find the differences. Here it's 5, here it's 10, here 3. Then write 39.5 plus 5 divided by 10 multiplied by 3. So 3 divided by 2, do the calculation, and the answer is 41. 41.0. Okay. Now we'll apply, once you have calculated P75 and P25, you have to write this formula and apply the values. P75 is 59.92 minus P25 is 41 divided by 2. So the total here is 18.92 divided by 2. So our SIQR equals 9.46. That's the answer. 9.46. Yeah, 9.46. Right. Earlier the median was 50 point. We'll write it here, 50.21. SIQR is 9.46. Next question. Don't worry about these terms. I'll be explaining these things to you when you come to the college, right? These are simple things. For the time being, learn SIQR means P75 minus P25 divided by 2. Actually, if it is a set of data like this, here's the lowest value, here's the highest value. If we divide this into 4 parts, we need 3 values here. This one, the first quarter, that means 25%, no? 25% means P25. Up to here, 50. Middle. P50. Here, from here to here, 75%. That means P75. So SIQR means 70. P75, this is the larger value. P75 minus P25, this area. Semi-interquartile range. That is SIQR. Our SIQR is 9.46. Right? I'll explain these things to you later. For the time being, learn SIQR means P75 minus P25. Right. Number 4. I'm discussing all the possible questions, right? Show P50 does not equal to SIQR. P50. This is equals. This is does not equal. SIQR. What is our P50? 50.21. SIQR, we just calculated now, 9.46. Now these two values, are they the same? No. 50.21 does not equal to 9.46. So P50 is not SIQR. Right? Now in this one, we said SIQR like this, no? This one IQR and half is SIQR, but SIQR does not equal to P50. It's a theory. Number 5. Don't worry about these things. They are very easy, right? Once I explain, right? Number 5. The highest 10% received scholarships. What is given there? Highest 10%. Right? 10%. P is given. What is the relevant cutoff mark? Highest 10%. Now this is 100%. PCF, these are percentage values. No? Percentile cumulative frequency. Right. 100% is this. The highest 10%. Highest 10% there. Here 98%. 100%. Highest 10%. Where? So you can find highest 10% is, you can write like this. Highest 10%, that means out of 100% minus 10%, 90%. You will have to find P90. Okay, P90. Now where's P90? It is here. P90. Suppose we say the highest 5%. Highest 5%. Highest 5%. So you'll have to deduct 5 from this 100. So 100% minus 5. What is that then? The answer is 95%. 95% means P95. Where's P95? Once again here, in between. Alright, when they give the highest one, you will have to deduct. If they give you the lowest one, the lowest 10% failed the exam. What is the pass mark, cutoff mark? 10% is 34.5. Straight away you can get it. The lowest 15% had to resit for a test. 15%. Then from here 15 is here. In between these two. There, if they give the lowest values, you don't have to deduct or do. Straight away you can take. Only for the highest values you have to deduct. Okay, now we'll take the what? 90%, P90. So you write it here, P, that is our 5th question. P90. P90, so here we can write P94 equals 69.5. 8P86 equals 64.5. We have to find P90. That we don't know. So once again get the differences. Here 5, here it is 8, here it's 4. Right, now you do this. 54.5 plus 5 divided by 8 multiplied by 4. Right? When you do the calculation, you get 64. P90, P86 is 64.5. Sorry, 64.5. So here 64.5. I hope you noticed that. Then you have to write 64.5 plus this value is 2.5. The answer is 67. Right. That's number 5. Last one. I am doing all the possible questions. The two students. So what is given there? Students. Frequencies. Right? So P column. The two students who scored the highest marks won prizes. Find the relevant cutoff mark. Once again, the highest part, right? The two students, here we can find only percentage values. But what's the total of this series? 50. Two students means, that means out of 50, two students have scored the highest mark. No, the two students who scored the highest marks. So two students out of 50. So you have to take it as a percentage now. Two students out of 50. So out of 100, it's 4. So it is 4%. 4% means P4. That's what we'll have to find. P4, the highest 4%. So once again, if you get highest values, what you have to do? You have to deduct from 100% minus 4%. That is 96%. 96% means P96. That's what we'll have to find for this question, right? P96. Now, where's P96? It is here. P96. Right? Now we'll once again, as usual, we'll do the problem P96. That's what we'll have to find. So we write 96 is done. P98 equals 74.5. P94 equals 69.5. We have to find P96. Then write, I have to get the differences. 5, here it's 4, here it's 2. Then 69.5 plus 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. The answer is 72. Do the calculation, right? 72. So these are the I have done all the possible questions, right? Now sometimes they will, when you do all these things, you will be able to do all the past papers, right? I'll explain these things, SIQR and all. As I said, SIQR, this is the lowest value, this is the highest value. If we divide this series into 4 equal parts, this is P25, P50, P75. IQR is this section, IQR, interquartile range. P75 IQR equals P75 minus P25. SIQR equals P75 minus P25 divided by 2. This section is IQR from here to here. Then earlier we got it as 18 point something, and 18 point, that value is divided by 2, we get 9.41, right? So I'll explain these things later. And now I'll send the photos of all these calculations. You'll have to do them in your books. Then I'll send some questions. Okay.